Today on Taste Test, we are trying 5 Food Network stars pizza recipes. Who do we have in front of us?
Okay, so we have Bobby Flay,
Uh-huh.
Guy Fieri,
Yep.
Giada De Laurentiis, Rachel Ray,
Rachel.
and I want to say Katie Lee.
Katie
Yes,
Lee.
Katie Lee.
Katie Lee. What's up, Katie Lee?
Do you have any ideas just by like looking at them? This has like a little healthiness to it. I'm thinking a little Katie Lee.
And I feel like Bobby, he always brings it with the sauces, you know what I
Yes.
mean?
Who were you thinking for that?
This is like a beacon of Flavor Town to me.
Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe to Food Network and click the little bell so you get notified every time we post a new video.
We got some barbecue.
Barbecue.
I think we got some maybe pineapple on there.
Oh, I don't have any pineapple.
Or might be fruit.
I think that's cheese, dude.
That is sweet.
It's very saucy, and you said Bobby Flay
Yeah.
is gonna come with the sauce.
I do feel like this is a Bobby Flay, but it also could be a guy.
I will say, this was not one of the ones that I thought for Guy Fieri, like off the bat, just looking at them, but you do have a very good point.
Potentially, I'm gonna say either Guy, because I could definitely see Guy making this. I also am gonna say potentially Rachel Ray.
I'm gonna say that's Bobby.
You're gonna lock it in?
I'm gonna lock it in and say
All right.
that's Bobby.
I'm gonna wait.
Ooh, check out this.
Interesting crust.
Classic.
So like flaky and buttery, it's delicious.
It's so buttery. There's something, I'm trying to see if there's like another flavor.
Like, do we think this is
Layered
like a
in there.
ciabatta? Like
Giada
a
ciabatta?
You know, Giada ciabatta pizza?
I think this has Giada all over it.
This can't be anybody else.
I thought this one was Rachel off the bat, and I think I'm gonna stick with it.
I would agree. It's really good.
Yeah, it's really good.
It's really good.
Number 3.
This is clearly a different kind of crust.
This is a thin crust.
Yeah, but it's not, it's like quinoa or something.
Oh, like a cauliflower
Like
crust.
cauliflower. I think it's a cauliflower crust. Yeah.
Oh, is that made of egg? What is that?
Egg? It almost has like the texture of like an egg omelet, you know?
Yeah.
Like a little omelette-y.
Almost like a quiche.
Like a
Yeah, like a
quiche.
quiche pizza.
Yeah.
I think maybe Katie Lee, because I know that she does a cauliflower crust. So I'm gonna go with
I would
Katie.
agree. I would agree. It's thin, it's light, and it's actually kind of pretty.
It feels super healthy.
Giada, Katie, Bobby, yeah.
Yeah.
That's
Well,
that's my guy.
That's blue
a
cheese for
buffalo-
sure, yeah.
Buffalo-y thing. Yeah, well, that's great.
Buffalo chicken with like gorgonzola.
You know, it's got some heat.
Ooh.
It's like good for the sports.
Yeah, this is like
Into
a
that.
game day. Oh, this seems like a Rachel Ray to me. Like I could see this being like an episode of like game day foods,
Right.
you know?
Yeah. That makes me feel very confident this is Rachel Ray.
Yeah.
I think this is Guy.
This is totally
I think
Guy.
This is Guy.
This is fancy.
Yeah, we got really some nice thin strips of steak.
It's like grilled, sort of like a pita.
I could see Bobby doing something like this.
If
You
you
know?
were like a chef and you wanted to like show up another chef or beat them,
Oh.
or see if they can beat you, you'd probably like take steak,
Uh-huh.
which is, you know, a fine food, and put it on a pizza.
It's summer, I'm at a barbecue, like this comes right off the grill.
Yeah.
Picture me coming out of the pool, you know, circa like James Bond style, my hair is all wet. I saunter over to the table, pick up a slice of pizza, and I go, hey, Bobby, thanks, man.
It's got like a balsamic drizzle. That balsamic glaze probably has like 40 ingredients in it.
Oh, I'm sure it's very intense, yeah. Yeah, this is quality, which also makes me think it's Bobby.
All my initial feelings before tasting them stick.
I think Giada,
Guy.
Guy,
Katie.
Rachel,
Rachel.
Bobby. I think I agree.
I think we've kind of nailed this.
Yeah.
Very confident.
Shall we reveal?
Yes.
Number 1, we said Bobby.
Bobby.
Number 1, we both think this is
is
Guy,
Guy,
correct?
right.
Flavor Town with his buffalo sauce.
Yep.
Yay!
It makes sense.
Yeah, it does.
I
mean,
totally
it's,
could see him making that.
it's very saucy. Guy is a very saucy guy. Now I think this is Bobby.
Now I think that's Bobby.
Oh my God! All right, I'm gonna throw a curveball.
Go.
I'm gonna go Bobby, Giada, Rachel, Katie.
Still gonna go Katie.
Okay.
Rachel. It would be obvious if it's Giada.
Roll through these.
Giada.
We were making this game harder than it is. Okay, number 3 is definitely Katie.
I don't think so. I think it's Rachel.
Here's Katie.
Miss Katie Lee.
Oh, it's Katie.
It's Katie.
Yeah.
Okay, Bobby,
Okay.
Rachel.
Wow.
Rachel.
Rachel Ray.
That makes so much sense. She loves buffalo. She loves like buffalo stuff.
And oh, look who it is.
Yeah.
Mr. Bobby Flay.
Coming out of the pool, looking
Yes.
like James Bond.
Yeah.
Which was
fun
your
too.
favorite?
I think the buffalo one was my favorite.
My favorite was Giada's. I like a classic pizza.
How about you?
I think number 2 is my favorite.
Yeah, that was really good.
Super classic, but it had the most flavor to it.
Yeah.
I kind of liked Rachel's,
Oh, okay.
but I was most like surprised by the buffalo chicken.
I would totally eat all of these again, and if you want to eat them, you can too. Go to foodnetwork.com and find the recipes. They're all there. Hey, if you like this video, subscribe below and comment and tell us what you want to see us try next time on Taste Test. What do you want to try next time on Taste Test? More of this.
More pizza.
Yeah.